Flushing should be performed once the piping installation have been completed before connection to indoor units. Use 0.5 MP dry nitrogen for flushing from outdoor side blows to indoor side. Starting from the farthest IDU in series, one by one. After flushing, seal the opening with tape. Pressure test. Only dry nitrogen should be used for pressure test. Keep the liquid and gas stop valves fully closed. Three steps test: 0.3 MPa for 3 minutes, 1.5 MPa for 3 minutes, 4.2 MPa for 30 minutes. During the pressure test, use refrigerant leak detector or soapy water to check the branch header. Vacuuming. Vacuuming should be carried out after pressure test and before charging additional refrigerant. Vacuuming should be carried out on gas or liquid sides in parallel. Keep the stop valves on both sides fully closed during the vacuuming process. A vacuum pump capable of maintaining a pressure of negative 0.1 MPa or lower should be used. The discharge in excess of 4 liters per second is recommended. When vacuumed to negative 0.1 MPa, continue to vacuum for 10 minutes and stop. Then observe the pressure gauge for 20 minutes. Additional refrigerant charging. List the length and pipe size for all pipe, main pipe, branch pipe. Calculate the additional quantity of refrigerant. Add the refrigerant into the system in cooling mode.